What going on, peeps? Ricardo Campbell, farmer. Over here checking out patches. This is lettuce and sweet peppers patch. And they just start a lot of sweet peppers, and we have to transplant them to a bigger spot once they start to grow, which they should be ready to transplant in another 2.5, 3 weeks. That's sweet peppers right there, and Scotch bonnet pepper and lettuce in one of the beds. Over here we have Scotch bonnet peppers. They're still real low though. They still got some time. And over here we have strawberries. They still have some time to come up. And then the cabbage. Cabbage we could transplant in another 2 weeks. So while those being transplanted in 2 weeks, I have some more just started today. These are new cabbage that we just planted today. And those will be ready to transplant in another 4 weeks, 4.5 weeks. So I'm going to keep the cabbage going at all time. Keep making cabbage to transplant. A lot of cabbage being eaten in Jamaica now as the sides. Yeah man, so we're still moving along. We have a lot of acres to cultivate. And once we get going, we're going to start planting some more things. Scotch bonnet pepper, some more sweet pepper, grow some avocado trees or pear trees, and things like that. Watermelon next week. We're planting watermelon. Let's clean up the spot over here for the watermelon. That's where the watermelon is going to be. You see the dead grass, we sprayed it, and now we have to clean it up. The planting day is going to be the 3rd and the 4th of January. So by then, by next week, just to plant a whole bunch of melons. See what go on. The corn didn't come out that well, but I have some drying again. I'm going to replant. And that's what's going on here in Jamaica. Still looking for anyone that wants to join our team. Give me a call. 786-206-1544, U.S. number. Jamaican number. 876-376-1027. That's also a WhatsApp number. All right. Peace.